way to Roseau this morning, which is the southern half of Dominica. And then from Roseau we'll spend the night and we'll finish our hop to Martinique tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will join us. Then head out, make our way to Martinique, and then on down on the chain to St. Lucia. This is Roseau. Look at that. That's how we were going in. And usually I don't drive the boat. So Anthony, get back here. Grab the boat. So we anchored.
No, we didn't.
Oh, we took a mooring ball.
Took a mooring ball.
We did.
A year ago, we would screw up at least half a dozen times before being able to pick up a mooring. And I have no idea why we were so inept at it before.
I know, we were not good. It's
It
raining.
seems very simple right now.
And it's raining and it feels good. But yeah, it took us a while to kind of get comfortable with being uncomfortable. So now we're comfortable.
Now I'm comfortably uncomfortable.
Now what do you do?
Hey, Marcus, how you doing?
All right, we gotta take care of some business.
20 US a night.
20 US a night.
Yes, sir.
What's that EC?
Okay, so the night's falling on Roseau right here. It's very still. Oh my gosh, it smells so wonderful. Actually, it smells like flowers. It's a beautiful little place right here.
It's the southern tip of Dominica. We're about to head down to Martinique and ready for some fun. Oh, it's gonna go well.
All right, this is the zoo in Martinique. Are you feeling it today?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. You want to run up with the kids?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Yeah, what do you want to see?
The monkeys.
Monkeys? Oh, I like monkeys too.
Ooh. Wow.
Yep, monkeys.
I guess Ron wants a pet monkey now.
This is probably one of the nicest zoos I've ever been to. It's very well maintained. Oh, look how.
Are you guys ready to go ashore?
Yeah.
Fire up the engine, Mama.
My exercise for the day. Say hi, Rowan. This is Marty. They have nice little things to tie our dinghy on. Oh, look, it's a fish market. It's not open.
Doesn't seem like they're about to open,
It might be cooking today. Or I'm
which is always better than going out to eat.
Yeah. Not the All right,
You're
we
an
can
excellent cook.
So this is a comment problem we have. We always go to places that are not open. Birds are chirping. Kai's whining. No, he's okay. Anthony's having trouble today. I like when a plan comes together. Sometimes our wandering around aimlessly pays off, right? Okay. Our wandering around is not as successful as we thought it was going to be. Alright, let's go look for somewhere else. Like that, like this is a snail climbing up the wall right there. Climbing up, hanging out.
I think it's.
Oh, so he scored restaurant. And we muddled through a French and made it work.
She's very, very kind, very helpful.
Yeah, because this is what we can choose from. And a lot of that is, I can't read it. So finally we found an open restaurant, a May restaurant.
And once I look at it, I think, wow, my wife is hot.
No, under the air conditioning. So we're on our way back to the dinghy. We had a nice dinner. Not sure if we're gonna leave at Anchorage tomorrow or not. It's really kind of cute. So I'd like to see it in the daytime. This is what it looks like at night. It's very cute and clean. Beautiful. And there's the little town there. So we were, I don't know, I might want to explore this. Please join us next time as we jump in the waters around Martinique.
Please like and subscribe, everybody. Bye.